it is Sunday, April 5th. For part A today, we're starting off with a Tabata. Reminder that a Tabata is 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. And we are going to do 4 separate movements in today's Tabata. Movement number 1 is the marching plank. Movement number 2 will be a single leg wall sit, where we'll switch legs at the 10-second mark. Movement number 3 will be a side plank twist. And movement number 4 will be another single leg wall sit, again switching legs at 10 seconds. So we're going to complete 4 rounds of each of these movements, 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, before moving on to the next movement. So what that means is 4 rounds of marching plank, moving on to 4 rounds of the single leg wall sit, and so on. For part B today, we have an AMRAP. 12 minutes, as many rounds as possible. We'll be performing 10 weighted step-ups. We can hold weight in whatever fashion we can, or whatever equipment we have on hand. We have 10 bent rows, and we have a 10-second L-sit. Again, cycling through that list as many times as possible in 12 minutes. Good luck. Let us know how you did.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Sunday, April 5th, and I'll be taking you through another warm-up. All right, to start it off, we have 50 jumping jacks just to get the heart rate going. All right, after those 50 jumping jacks, we're gonna do some mobility. First thing, we have some half kneeling hamstring stretch. So what I mean by that is getting on one knee, walking out the leg in front of you, just stretching here, putting some pressure on the leg, getting into that hamstring. We're gonna spend about 30 seconds on each leg. All right, after that, we have a hip flexor stretch. All right, so we are going to be on our knee in this lunge position here. We're gonna lean forward, open up the hip, and then we're gonna reach back and try to grab our foot. Again, 30 seconds on each leg. After that, we're gonna get our feet out in front of us. We have a tabletop stretch. So we have fingers facing our heels, and we're just gonna pop up those hips, stretching out those triceps. So we're gonna just floss it out at least 10 times. All right, and for the last part of our warm-up, we have 3 rounds, 10 V-up, 10 good mornings, and 10 Cossack Squats, or lateral squats. All right, we can go weighted on that. We just need 1 dumbbell or 1 kettlebell. For your good mornings, you could hold it overhead, hinge forward, right to the top, and for the Cossack Squats, we can hold it goblet style. All right, you guys, get after it.